You just clicked a thumbnail saying real estate wholesaling explained in less than 2 minutes. Challenge accepted. Start the clock. My name's Chris. I run a virtual real estate wholesaling agency that's based out of Central Florida. However, I have over 200 agents on contract across the country. So what is real estate wholesaling? Very simple, very straightforward. There's two ways to go about it. One, you drive around looking for a distressed house that needs repairs or renovations. Two, you look online. You use tools like PropStream to find them virtually. Once you do, you reach out to the seller. You come to terms about purchasing this property. Once you've come to terms, you put it on what's called a purchase contract or a purchase agreement, okay? Once you have that contract locked down, what you do at that point is you solicit it to your investors and cash buyers. Once you find a buyer, all the contracts go to the title company. Your investor pays the title company, let's say $210,000. You have the property on contract for, let's say, $200,000. So at this point, the difference is 10 grand. The title company issues you the check. That's it. Your job done. Stop the clock. Now, with all that being said, less than 2 minutes, it was explained. Obviously, there's way more details. There's way more processes involved. However, everything that you need to know in reference to prospecting, I have available in a free course at DiFulvio.com. Okay. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Go there, sign up, enroll in a class. You get the entire thing for free. It's roughly, I believe, an hour and a half worth of a live training session that I do for some of my recently newly hired agents. Okay. There's so much information in it. Definitely take advantage. Now, at that point, if you want, you can also enroll in either our Wholesaling 101 course, or if you want to build an agency like ours, you can enroll in our Building an Agency course as well. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment. If you need help, join our Discord, and that's it.